Hi guys, this video is Torres gardening bed, a comprehensive gas gardening have also been a cherished spec for those who accept natural beauty and but it's productive and environmentally friendly hobby. However, traditional gardening can present challenge for those with more limited space. How poor salt this is where tall rust gardening bed come into play. Those gardening bed often numbering benefit make gardening effect and more enjoyable. We explored into the ascertain design considering and task for main interest to rest gardening bed. What are to rest gardening bed? To are every plant stake design to hold salt and plants about growing level. Unlike rustic bed which are only or fit or a high to rest bed and elevate the height range for 18-inch and 7 feet. This elevate reading the need for bed or keep make gardening for people with those limited or those like to minimize range on those back and keep those bed can be customized for use material carbon, wood, metal, stone or comfort material and the tropical fit with a comprehensive for salt and other original material of create a fit everything with and plants benefit of the tall rust gardening bed. Growing one of the most significant benefit of tall rust gardening bed is those accommodate gardening can be physically demo Gleban bed keep or salt which can be challenged or even influencing for such popular tall rest gardening bed that gardening to make most comfortable work height range that salt on the body this field benefit for all individual with displaying or anyone which bag or enjoy plants. A static appear. Tall raised gardening bed can also enhance the aesthetic appear of your gardening. This bed create a clean, original look can can be customized, complement your outdoor space which your professional artistic wood design or keep material or a stone finish rustic bed can be tailored to match your gardening style. Then can be arranged a various shape and comfort to create interior gardening layout. Space effect for gardening with limited space, tall, rustic, tall rust gardening bed can maximize plant area. Vertical gardening, traditional such as sticky, can be incorporating into rustic bed allow you to growing more plants in a smart footprints is benefit or Arabic gardening convenient or patio where space is at platinum. Design your tall rust gardening bed. When plants a tall rust gardening bed, there are survey features to consider. It's matter your gardening need and fit seamless into your outdoor space. Height the height of your stick bed should be geometric by your stored need for general gardening purpose. A height of 18 to 24 inch 24-inch is your suffocation. However, it's your Arabic to elements the need to benefit you need other for bed that are 13-inch to height. Keep in mind that the heights the bed the more salt you need of it. Material select. Choose the right material for your rustic bed is inspiration for durable and aesthetic appear. Convenient material and sort. Wood convenient, the redwood are popular choice due to their natural setting to red. However, understand which pin can also be used thought its mean not last of Aman material set are long lasting and have a modern look. Composting need for recycled material composting bed are during testing are easier friend then also have a wood like appear without the need of main entrance. Location place your rustic bed is a location that requires its last 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day as more vegetable and flower rustic full sun. Consider the permanent to a water salt. Water mean the need embrace in the hot climax it possibility place to be bed need your kitchen or home for easy accommodate to the fresh heart of vegetable.